Actually, sorry, Gary. Look at the real stuff. They need to move
From what I saw, using myself, and of course my wife and my son as examples because they voted before me, immediately before me, I would say it went without hitch. But you cannot use an occurrence to judge the overall results of an election. I don't know how it is going in other places. I will now begin to corner, but I've received reports of vote buying in Ado, and I've received the reports of vote buying in Oye. Those are the adverse reports I've received so far.
Well, Your Excellency, the INEC chairman did say that the reason why the two people have been rearranged for more proximity is to guard against vote buying. The ones you had, how did it happen?
I will now ask my people to go and take photographs wherever there are vote buying.
So would that mean eventually the result of the final result, whichever way it goes, will you have complaints around vote buying?
I don't want to live on complaint. You know me, I'm not a complainer, and I don't live on complaint. Whatever they do, we will beat them. Ekiti people and Nigerians know who will win these elections. It's not like an election that we can say is hanging. This is not hanging.
Okay, sir, this is the first time an election will be taking place after the passage of the new electoral law. Has anything changed from what you've seen so far compared, to what elections used to be in the past?
I think something has changed, and that is the confidence of the people has boosted a bit. Um, I was told of the massive turnout in Ado, and I believe it is like that everywhere. People, I believe, have more confidence in the system now.
Right,
So what will be your comments on the mobilization of security agents on the ground for this election?
Sorry.